Cheers and welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. Yeah, that's right, 20 boxes from Blichmann. And yes, some of my dogs might walk into the camera. I've got two, Finney and Riley. But I wanted to show you this. I'm probably gonna do the unboxing in the morning. That way I have a little bit more sunlight. It's like 8 o'clock tonight and it was just so hot. I know it'll be a little cooler first thing in the morning, but I want to go over a little bit of what is all this about. First, this is the new modular utility cabinet system. I know you're like, what? That's a mouthful. Modular utility cabinet system, okay? What that means is that brewing just got easier. You've got like a dock and you fish. Oh my gosh, you could clean fish. You can get a sink. That's a sink. Yes, that's right, a sink. You have cabinets, drawers. You design it the way you want it. You buy the modules, you put it together. Blichmann said, hey, what exactly do you want? I gave him a few stipulations and said, send me what you think everybody's gonna really love. And so I don't even really know what I have. I really don't. And before we get started, just to give you a heads up, I got 3 boxes over here that all say open first, but one of them has the actual Blichmann modular utility cabinet sticker on it. So I think that's the one they want me to open first. And of course, that's not the one I'm gonna open first. That's where the manual is. That's where I should start. But there's another box I'm just curious because it has no label. So I want to know what it is. I'm going to go over everything. Then there's going to be a follow-up video where I actually build everything for you. And then I'll have some other shorter videos that just go over each individual unit in case there's any kind of concerns or maybe how to build each single modular piece. That way we can go over it. So without further ado, let's jump in this. Let's go over some things. Finn, come here. I got my assistant here named Finney. Come here, Finn. Yeah, he's gonna walk around. He doesn't trust the boxes, you know what I'm saying? Come here, Finn. This is Finney. You've probably seen Finney before. He's a little Irish, he's a Woodle. He's a Wheaten Terrier with a little bit of poodle. So this is the box I wanna open first. Why? Because it doesn't have a label. So I'm gonna open it. And yes, I'm outside in my back area, wherever you say, between the brew space and the home. And I got an air conditioner blowing behind me. Hopefully you don't hear too much of that. I have a feeling that this is all the small parts. So you could order and only get a few boxes. You could order a big system and get more than this. But I wanted to go over a little bit of what's in the boxes. Okay, first thing I got is a power adapter. So I guess it's, a modular, you know, plug it in somewhere, extend it, and have an actual block to plug in. Does it support 110, 220, whatever? I don't know yet. I'm not there. So let's drop that back in here. I got a, very fancy looking faucet. Don't have the close-up set up on the camera, but want to show that to you. Yes, I'll go ahead and open it. I heard you. Okay. Read your thoughts. Ooh, nice, I forget what you call that, that black kind of, yeah, brushed black, I think that's what they call it. Very nice. That's another thing. I don't know what color this is. The system, a lot of it comes in 3 different colors. I don't know. I thought stainless would be most popular, but I mean, I don't know. The black looks pretty cool. Oh, I don't know what this is. This is heavy. Ooh, okay. I mean, this is like Christmas. You know what I'm saying? For a home brewer. Oops, and I'm already dropping pieces. It's a handle. Yeah, nice stainless steel handle. So, and you'll get to see more of this stuff on close-up. But I just wanted to open that, see what's in here, and then we'll open first, see what's going on in there. Do I know how to build any of this? No. Have you built one of these? Probably not. Don't want to lose any parts, but we'll figure it all out. Brew cart pump mount. Oh, that's for the Blichmann pump. Awesome, awesome. Very, very cool. We're gonna be doing a ton of brewing on this, and I do mean a ton of brewing. Let's see what else is in here. We have brew cart controller mount. So we can mount, oh man, we're gonna be doing all kinds of Brew Easy, compact, the whole classic system. I mean, everything on here. And yes, we're gonna be doing the Anvil too. Okay, I got more cart handles. This one looks like it got dented. I don't think the handle's been damaged. It's quite heavy and quite stainless, so I don't think we're gonna have anything worries. What do we have? Caster kit. Ah, very nice caster. Oh, very nice caster wheels. I'll pull one of those out so you can kind of get a better look. Don't worry, we're gonna have another video, a couple more videos on this so you can see everything. I mean, big wheels, very nice, and locks. You gotta have locks when you're dealing with boiling water. Special thanks going out to everybody at Blichmann, because I know this was a huge thing to ship out. I heard about that. I may have seen that already. That says brew pump mount. I think I may have already pulled that one out. Let's see what, I got these other long ones in here and I'm really curious. Most of the boxes when you get them will have labels on them if they're big boxes. Smaller boxes and they're in a big box, they'll have a label. Hoist, anti-tip leg. Okay, so this must be for the hoist. That's right. This is one of the 2 items I requested specifically because I'm getting old. And I know a lot of the home brewers out there are getting old. Yeah. Yeah. For the brew basket. You'll lift it up. Don't hurt your back. I won't have to use my big table that everybody freaks out that I'm going to fall down and get injured. Yeah. What do we got here? Brew cart handle. It's weird. The other ones are little handles. Oh, I got all kinds of stuff down here. Brew cart black splash. I don't know what that is. We'll have to find out what that is later. And then I think the rest are just more stainless steel handles down here. Yeah, I got a lot of handles. Okay, so let's get that out of the way. I have to move all this stuff twice because I can't leave it outside overnight. The razor blade. We gotta get the classic razor blade. Okay. Jared and Drew, I don't know who taped this up, but yeah, y'all used a lot of packing tape, man. Appreciate it, but wow. Okay, so I have 3 of these. All 3 of these say open first. They also have, I think, another label on them somewhere. Let's see if I can find it. Oh yes, there it is. It says 36-inch H-frame only, cabinet 24 deep, 24 wide, base, brew cart. So I open this one, which I have 2 that say open first. I know you're dying to see this, but just big piece of black metal. Ah, there we go. Reading material for tonight. Okay, let's put this back in here. I don't want anything getting scratched or damaged. The battle scars have to be from real brewing, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so before we get into the rest of the boxes, I have 3 of those, okay? 3. If you're not sure what they are, back up the video and you'll see. Here's the manual. The manual, I would assume, is going to cover pretty much any and every type of system. Hi, Riley. My female doggy joined us. She's a little more anxiety, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna look through this tonight so I don't look stupid tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? What else do we have here? Well, down here we have tabletop. I got 3 tabletops. I have a brew cart door, 30-inch height by 22-inch wide with a shelf. This one's a little different. It's a little different than these. Then I move over to this, and what is this thing? It is a pegboard, 24-inch by 24-inch. You're just all excited, aren't you, Riley? This was what's weird too. I got a pegboard here, but then this thing, which is insanely heavy, is a pegboard also. It is a upright mounting kit. Brew cart pegboard. This thing, not that heavy. This, really heavy. So I'm not sure what the difference is there. We're gonna find out together. Then over here, I've got another unique item, and it is a brew cart folding side stand. From what I remember, this is on the bottom, it'll stand. So what it'll do is it'll put your brewing system above the ground, but where you can still reach in and look at everything. So it'll make it really easy. Now on these, I've got 3 of these. I've got a brew cart frame, bottom and back, 24-inch. here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 brew cart 10-inch drawers is what that says. This is a sink. Get the drain, get your pieces here for an attachment, hot water, cold water. You have to provide your own water, your own, taps for hot, cold, or just cold. There is a way, if I remember right, I'll have to double check, that you can hook it up with a hose if you just want cold. Works out great if you're like using this on a dock and you want to use it to clean fish. Maybe you're brewing beer on the other part of it, or if you're doing some sort of planting. Yeah, great way to sell it to your wife. If your wife isn't the brewer, hey, you can use it to, do your little plants. Well, I'm brewing. Yeah, just get the deluxe version, lots of modules. Put her on one end, you on the other end. Yeah, and then make sure, have a little mini fridge or something nearby so you can have some beer. Or get 2 sinks and put some ice in one, and there you go. Let's take a look at the rest of the stuff. The last item up here is a brew cart door, 20-inch height, 22-inch wide with a shelf. That's different from all the stuff. And then, like I said, I got all these little things in this big box. So I like to say we have 20 boxes. We have 20 big boxes, but we have lots and lots more of little boxes. But yeah, keep watching. We're gonna get all of this put together in the next video. I'm gonna build it all 20 boxes. I'll start early tomorrow morning, so this video will follow right behind this video. Riley, what are you doing, pretty girl? She's just curious. She's sniffing everything. Gotta make sure I can pick up this razor blade. Don't want it anywhere near my dogs. They're too curious. They're worse than kitty cats. But yeah, so go on to Blichmann's website. I'll leave a link below. It's not an affiliate link or anything. Go check them out. I may actually use one of my little short links, so at least I can track how many people click on it. It just lets me know if it's working. But check out the modular utility cabinets. Keep watching. We're going to be doing a ton, and I do mean a ton of videos on this stuff. We are going to do the build, like I said. After the build, then I'm going to actually brew on it a lot, but I'll also try to cover each individual module and how it's configured so that you can better understand not only what I'm using it for, what it can be used for, but you can get a better look at it. And if there's any concerns or issues, or me not knowing how to build something properly, you can point it out and go, hey, you missed a screw, or hey, you should have done it this way. Whatever, I'm not perfect, no one is. But hey, cheers, show me a little love, hit the like, hit the subscribe, let Blichmann know that you were checking this out. Like I said, I'll put a little link down below. It's non-affiliate. You can just go click on it, check it out.